Guys, we're back with another haul video, and this time it is something different in a different company. So this is Pretty Little Miss Things. Why I keep saying Miss? Really, Pretty Little Things haul. And I didn't get sent these items. I did get sent some items from them, but I didn't review those items. So we're doing something different, and this is like fall vibes. So this is a snake mini wrap, and I would just pair it with some navy blue pants and a white shirt, or I would just leave it just like this. Let me know what you think about this first outfit. Moving right along, y'all. So this is giving me Versace classy. Okay, you can't sit with me, bad vibes. Okay, this is a black leopard oversized shirt from Pretty Little Thing, and I got this in a size small because I wanted to fit really tight but still have that oversized feel to it. So I just what so I just paired it with these black biker shorts, y'all. I don't know where I got these from, but I did put one side and tucked it in and left the other side of the shirt out. So that purse is from a fake vendor, not a fake vendor, but a vendor that sells like high quality leather. And if you want to know where I got this purse, check the description below and I'll show you. So yeah, I did pair those things with that. Let me know what you think about outfit number 2. Moving right along to outfit number 3, I am wearing this khaki snake print blazer, y'all. So you can pair this so many ways, up or down. I will wear this with some long leather pants or the biker shorts that I have on now, and bomb, I won't wear no shirt under this, just like that. And if you did, you would pair with a black tank top or V-neck like thong kind of bodysuit, and maybe some jeans with this. That green, oh my god. And I will pair with some white heels, but this is bomb. Let me know what you think. To these snake vibes, I love this yellow duster right here. It is bomb, and I would definitely dress this, but this is so pretty. Let me know what you think. Alright, y'all, we have this yellow plunge button up like dress jacket thing, and I love it. I love these type of dresses. You could dress them up or down. These are so classy, and this belt, like I'm telling you, can be paired. Hey, what's up? No, this belt can be paired with anything and everything, y'all. Oh, okay. Hey, swing that pony, do your thing, do your thing. What? I say break it. Okay, so I just keep adding this to give you an idea of what it should be like. You can add any purse to it, or you can leave it just as, or add any other belts. But yes, what you think about this one? Okay, so we have this same version, but this is in silver. This is a blazer dress. You can dress this up or down. You don't have to put the belt with all of these outfits. I'm just giving you a general idea. So don't come for me and be like, you know, you just wearing all that Gucci belt with every outfit. It just goes with everyone and just spices it up. I don't know. Hey, I was stepping in the name of love. No, just but yes, y'all. I was on live doing this and it was so fun. But yeah, I like this one. I would definitely pair this with some Sean Jane or jean heels. Oh my god, so bomb. I would definitely leave them right in the description right below so I can show you which ones I'm talking about. But yes, so what you think about this one? Alright, on to the next one. So this is like a pantsuit. You can leave it like this, like the dresses that you've seen before I went to this one, or you can leave it like this with a jacket and the pants, like a business type suit, and you can leave it open and pair a belt with it so that, you know, your titties won't come out of it. I love this. This is so pretty. This gives me boss bitch vibes, and it is so cute with some pointies. Oh, I can just see it now. And a bomb makeup tutorial. Yes, hunty. Love Pretty Little Miss Thing. I love Pretty Little Thing. I keep saying Miss Thing. Love their clothes. So now we're on to this white sleeveless chain dress, y'all. It is so pretty. I love it. Versace feel, y'all. Versace is giving me Versace. I don't know. Everything is giving me Versace feel. But yes, I love this. This is like a outfit where you can go kick it with your girls out on some like errands. Well, not errands, but like out on a run and or to a party. But yes, you can pair with this pretty little purse. And this is my mom's MK purse. So I just stole it, y'all. You can pair it with anything. I would definitely pair it with some white heels, and yes, bomb. Hey. Okay, so this is the last piece of this Pretty Little Things haul, and this is a jacket for the fall. I should have got a size 8. I don't know why I got a size 6, but this is bomb, giving me Barbie vibes. So let me know what y'all think about this haul. Comment down below which is your favorite, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial.